And so I think part of our job, if we choose to accept it, is to look at this crumbling pile of
Yeah.
institution that's built on dependence and disempowering people and all that. And instead of trying to go, I know there's different ways to do it. Like you could go in and try to make it better, try to fix it, whatever. I really have found the best thing is to just build something entirely different on different principles off to the side. And as people kind of run out of this disaster, they're going to need a place to go. And it's all the better if you've got it pre-built and ready for them. We need parallel systems basically pretty much in every area of life, but it's like if we're talking about healthcare, then that's where we'll focus.